Nice slips you got. What's good with y'all? It's your boy TQ, and we are back with another video. And I got my boy Isaac again. My boy Isaac, he appeared on one of my earlier videos that I made on this channel, but I decided to bring him back again and just do a different point of view, which is basically my point of view, cutting his hair. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Isaac, he gets a low taper, so basically I knock down the top with a 1.5 open, and then I give him a low taper, and I trim up the beard real nice and smooth. He really doesn't need enhancements, but I just chose to do enhancements off of the simple fact that it just makes the cut look better, in my opinion. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you are new, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Man, we're gonna get straight into it. So as you can see, I'm knocking the hair down, just making it an even length. As you can see, you know, I told you guys he's getting 1.5 open on the top, so I'm just trying to get everything knocked down to an even length. So right after I get everything knocked down to an even length, I go ahead and set my first bald guideline using the triangular method. Sometimes I do like a rainbow shape method as well, but I just decided to do like more of a point at the top of this guideline, just to switch it up a little bit. I like to switch it up every now and then. So as you can see, I comb it right afterwards, just to make sure I get the hair following suit like I want. And I take my no guard open and I create my next guideline. As you can see, I comb it down and I take my one guard open and I create that next guideline afterwards. And his hair is like really fine, like it's not as thick as some of my other clients, so you can't really see the guideline as much. So I went back and kind of detailed the guidelines. I know it's kind of weird for me to say detailing the guidelines, but sometimes you might have to go back and clean up your guidelines just to make sure everything is neat before you take out those guidelines. So not only do you want to detail after you get done with the fade or the blend, you want to make sure your guidelines are neat as well, so the end result can be neater. So to take out that guideline at the bottom, I do a no guard close. I use more so my corners to take out that guideline, just to make it safer. And as you can see, I put that one guard back on, and I'm just detailing that top part of the blend. And yeah, just making everything come together, because he really doesn't have like a harsh line or a harsh bulk line at the top. So I just use my corners to kind of take out those little dark spots that I see at the top of that fade. So yeah, I still seen a little weight up there, so I just went ahead and used more of the blade. I think I have like a 1.5, and I'm using the corner of that to take out those guidelines, well, to take out that bulk at the top. So I think I didn't quite show. I think I kind of missed a step. So above that guideline that I took out, I used a one guard close. I think I didn't go back. I usually do a one guard close to lighten up that guideline, and then I go behind it with the half guard close, utilizing the corners. But I think what I did in this situation, I used a one guard closed, and the blend came out just by me using a one guard closed. So I didn't even go back with a half guard closed to take out that guideline. And sometimes, you know, that's what happens. If I don't see any imperfections in the blend, if I don't really see any weight, any lines or anything like that, I might tend to forget that, you know, I had an extra step, or I might not even, you know, follow suit with the rest of my steps that I usually take. It just depends on how the hair acts. And in this case, the fade came out smooth without me having to use my half guard. So I just went ahead and used that one guard closed, and the line came out surprisingly. So we transfer over to the back of the head, and as you can see, I went ahead and created my first ball guideline, and then I go back with my no guard open, and I create my next guideline. You want to make sure that you want to pretty much try to get a straight line as possible with your guidelines. As you can see, you can't really see the guidelines with his hair texture as well as you would a client with thicker hair. So I try to make sure I pay attention to where I'm at within the fade and not get lost in the sauce, man. You do not want to get lost in the sauce with a client with thin hair. So that's what I'm doing. I'm really paying attention to what I'm doing and trying to make sure I don't get lost. Lastly, I take my one guard open, and I'm creating that last guideline within the fade. And I think after I did that, I went ahead and went back with my 1.5 or my 2 guard, and I kind of lightened up that extra book that's right there by the occipital bone. So just to simplify my last steps, you know, once you create your guidelines with the open levers with the one guard, you want to go back and close the levers with basically the same steps you took without a guard and with a guard. So that's basically the whole process of fading. You're going to start off open first, creating your guidelines, and when taking the guidelines out, you're going to go ahead and close the lever and take those guidelines out depending on which guideline you're on. You know, if you created a guideline using your one guard open, you're going to take out that line using your one guard closed. So, you know, vice versa. If you used a no guard open, you're going to take out that guideline using, you know, a no guard closed. So it's just simple as that, man. And, you know, it's very simple, man. You know, that one guard open, to take it out all the way, you know, of course you're going to use your half guard closed, you know, utilizing your corners, but for the most part, that's basically all you're doing. To take out those guidelines, you know, you're going to close that lever, man. And open lever guidelines, you take out with closed levers. So that's basically what it is, man.
You're worth the chase, your body knows. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like
We hit the club and it's cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a tear. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in a div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like.
So once we get done with the other side, I go ahead and prepare his hairline with my Tresemme spritz. I like this spritz because it's not as flaky as other spritz, you know, Gots to Be, or what is it called? It comes in a pink bottle, but I forgot the name of it. It slipped my mind, but that bottle, those products can tend to be real flaky. I still use Gots to Be from time to time, but Tresemme is just a little lighter, flake-wise. But As you can see, I let his hairline dry, and I kind of detail other spots. You know, I kind of faded his beard, you know, just doing extra stuff so I could let his hairline dry before I attack his hairline. And just detailing everything else, using my time wisely, you know. So once I let his hairline dry out, I go ahead and attack his hairline with my high-vis trimmers. And I ended up starting in the middle because it allows me to get a better grasp on how high I need to go up, and just makes the hairline more leveled out on both sides.
She wasn't on a run, she wanted on a run. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Yeah, I wish to you. You see the light skin girl with the light skin crew. Count on the three, I'm still saying this bitch knows like crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not on the shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back in this away.
And you know I had to troll the bro before he left the shop, bro. I had to troll him. I just had this thought in my mind. Let me do this while I'm giving this man a fresh fade. So I had this in my mind damn near the whole cut. Like, troll this man one time before he leave. So I had to troll him. I had to do it. I'm sorry. Nice slip she got there.
What the fuck?
So next up, I use my tintation spray, which is specifically darkest brown. It goes perfect with his hair color. So, you know, I had to get him right, man. I had to get him right. And you guys will see the finished product. You'll see what I'm talking about. Next up, if you see my previous video I did with Isaac, you know that the white pencil shows up in his skin tone the best. So if I were to use a tan pencil, it would appear yellow on his skin tone. So the white pencil was the best option in this situation. Yeah, this is why I had to use the white pencil instead. I take my trimmers after this and I blend that line out just to make it look more natural. We are inching closer to the end of this video, and as you can see, my boy Isaac is back in the game. He in good hands, just like State Farm. But without further ado, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, we out, man. Peace.